Section 1. A new era of affordability. The Cybertruck RWD long range arrives. The electric vehicle market is abuzz with Tesla's latest offering, the Cybertruck RWD long range. This new model is not just another addition to Tesla's lineup, it represents a significant shift in the company's strategy to make electric vehicles more accessible to the general public. The Cybertruck, with its unique design and robust features, has always been a symbol of futuristic innovation. Now, with the RWD long-range model, Tesla aims to bring this innovation to a broader audience. This new model promises to make the futuristic pickup truck accessible to a wider audience. Families, young professionals, and even businesses looking for a reliable and stylish vehicle can now consider the Cybertruck as a viable option. The design remains as striking as ever, with its angular lines and stainless steel exoskeleton, but the focus is now on making it more affordable without compromising too much on the essential features that make a Tesla a Tesla. With a starting price of $72,235, it significantly undercuts its more powerful siblings. This price point is a game changer in the electric vehicle market, making the Cybertruck RWD long range one of the most competitively priced electric trucks available. It's a strategic move by Tesla to capture a larger market share and make electric vehicles more mainstream. However, this price reduction comes at a cost. To make the Cybertruck RWD long range more affordable, Tesla has had to make some compromises. The vehicle's performance metrics, while still impressive, are not on par with the higher-end models. The range, acceleration, and towing capacity have been adjusted to fit the new price point. This means that while the Cybertruck RWD long range is more accessible, it may not meet the needs of those looking for top-tier performance. To achieve this affordability, Tesla has made strategic compromises in features and performance. The RWD long-range model comes with a single motor, unlike the dual or tri-motor setups in the more expensive versions. This affects the vehicle's acceleration and towing capacity. Additionally, some of the advanced features and premium materials found in the higher-end models are not available in this version. These changes are part of Tesla's strategy to balance cost and capability. This begs the question, does the Cybertruck RWD long range strike a balance between cost and capability, or is it a case of sacrificing too much for a lower price tag? Potential buyers will need to weigh the benefits of a lower price against the reduced performance and features. For many, the trade-offs may be worth it, especially if they are looking for a stylish, reliable, and more affordable electric truck. The Cybertruck RWD long range could very well usher in a new era of affordability in the electric vehicle market, making the dream of owning a Tesla a reality for more people than ever before. The Cybertruck's initial unveiling captivated the world with its radical design and bold promises. It promised to revolutionize the pickup truck segment, offering unparalleled performance, range, and technology. However, the high price tag of the initial models placed them out of reach for many potential buyers. The Cybertruck RWD long range aims to bridge this gap. It offers a more attainable entry point into Cybertruck ownership, but it's crucial to examine the trade-offs made to achieve this lower price point. Tesla enthusiasts and potential buyers alike are eager to dissect the compromises made in this new model. Does the Cybertruck RWD long range retain the essence of its predecessors, or has the pursuit of affordability diluted its appeal? Section 2. Powering down performance takes a hit in the name of savings. The Cybertruck RWD long range is a testament to Tesla's commitment to offering a more affordable option without compromising too much on the core experience. One of the most significant changes in the Cybertruck RWD long range is the switch to a single-motor, rear-wheel drive configuration. This change is primarily aimed at reducing costs and making the vehicle more accessible to a broader audience. The single motor powering the rear wheels is efficient and reliable, but it does come with trade-offs. This departure from the dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup of the other models impacts acceleration and overall performance. The dual-motor system in the AWD models provides superior traction and power distribution, which translates to quicker acceleration and better handling, especially in challenging driving conditions. However, the single-motor RWD setup is simpler and lighter, which can be beneficial for range and maintenance. The RWD long range clocks a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.2 seconds. While this is still impressive for a vehicle of its size and weight, it doesn't quite match the exhilarating performance of its dual-motor counterparts. The focus here is on providing a balanced driving experience that prioritizes efficiency and cost savings. While this is still respectable, it pales in comparison to the blistering 4.1-second time of the RWD model. The RWD version's superior acceleration is a result of its advanced powertrain and optimized power delivery. For those who crave speed and top-tier performance, the RWD model remains the go-to choice. However, the RWD Long Range offers a compelling alternative for those who value practicality and affordability without sacrificing too much on performance. This reduction in power is noticeable in everyday driving scenarios. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on a suburban road, the difference in power output is something you will feel. The Cybertruck's performance, while still competent, doesn't have the same punch as its higher-end counterparts. Overtaking maneuvers require more planning, as the vehicle doesn't respond with the same immediacy. You need to be more strategic when merging into busy traffic or attempting to overtake another vehicle on the highway. The lack of instant power means you have to anticipate gaps and opportunities more carefully, and the initial burst of acceleration, a hallmark of Tesla vehicles, is noticeably absent. When accelerating from a stop or picking up speed on an open road, the Cybertruck's response is more measured. This can be a bit of a letdown for those who are used to the rapid acceleration that Tesla is known for. For those accustomed to the exhilarating performance of the higher-end Cybertrucks, this difference will be immediately apparent. The high-end models offer a thrilling driving experience with their powerful motors and quick acceleration. In contrast, the RWD long-range model feels more subdued. However, for drivers prioritizing efficiency and range over raw power, the RWD long range's performance might be sufficient. It excels in providing a balanced driving experience that focuses on maximizing range. On long, scenic routes, the Cybertruck can drive efficiently, allowing you to enjoy the journey without constantly worrying about recharging. It offers a smooth and refined driving experience, albeit a less exhilarating one. The ride quality is comfortable, and the interior is designed to provide a pleasant environment for both the driver and passengers. The suspension handles well-paved roads with ease, ensuring a smooth journey. The focus here is on providing a comfortable and efficient ride rather than delivering neck-snapping acceleration. Whether you're driving leisurely on a peaceful road or navigating smoothly through city streets, the Cybertruck aims to make your drive as comfortable and efficient as possible. This makes it an ideal choice for those who value a relaxed driving experience over high-speed thrills. The trade-off in performance for a lower price point is a common strategy in the automotive industry. By opting for a single motor setup, Tesla has managed to significantly reduce production costs. This, in turn, translates to a more affordable vehicle for consumers. However, it's essential to weigh this cost saving against the reduction in performance to determine if it aligns with individual needs and priorities. Section 3. Towing the line. Capability compromises for cost reduction. The Cybertruck RWD Long Range also sees a reduction in towing capacity compared to its more powerful siblings. With a maximum towing capacity of 7,500 pounds, it falls short of the 11,000-pound capacity boasted by the other Cybertruck models. This difference is significant for those intending to use the Cybertruck for heavy-duty towing tasks. For hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy loads, the RWD Long Range's reduced towing capacity might be a limiting factor. Potential buyers with frequent towing needs will need to carefully assess if this reduced capacity aligns with their requirements. Opting for the more expensive, higher towing capacity models might be necessary for those frequently hauling heavy loads. Payload capacity also takes a hit in the RWD Long Range. With a maximum payload of 2,006 pounds when equipped with the optional 20-inch wheels, it falls short of the 2,500-pound payload capacity of the RWD model. This difference might impact those who frequently transport heavy cargo in the truck bed. The reduced towing and payload capacities are a direct result of the single-motor configuration and the lighter-duty suspension system used in the RWD Long Range. While this contributes to the vehicle's lower price, it compromises its capabilities as a workhorse. Potential buyers need to carefully consider their hauling and cargo carrying needs to determine if the RWD long range's capabilities align with their intended usage.